Okay, so I realized that my video wasn't uploaded. I'm a bit late. It's first year anniversary and I'm going to upload the last part to the Taiwan Xueshan.
帅哥，美女们，出发！
So we are on our way climbing from the 369 cabin where we stayed on the second night, and we are preparing to move out into the Black
今天我们训
Forest.
练你的英文，谢谢。
你们用英文讲，我用中文回你，还是我用英文讲，你们用中文？
So
对，互相
哇，你看，
训练一下。
那里是369，我们昨晚睡的地方。昨晚睡觉是0度，0 degree，you know，0 degree。等一下我们要爬那个不懂事。
So this was the night before where we were staying in Chica cabin where we had a very nice dinner, I must say. Our guide cooked wonderfully well, and his name is Pirate. In Chinese it's called Hai Dao. So he brought us up the hill together with his colleague Ah Hua, which you see we were chatting just now with. He was telling us to speak English with him so that he can improve his English. And yeah, you see,
这是宇恒，你看他还精神奕奕，体力充沛。
我在看白喽，我在看白喽，我在看白喽。
so this is Wen Ting, this is Su Jian,
帅哥，
this is Daniel,
讲哈喽嘞，哈喽，讲一点话了。有没有听到你的话？
Man of a few words。
this is Ben,
感想怎么样？
好累啊，好重啊，
累死
this is
了，
Injia,
真好啊！
感觉真好，棒棒，好开心，有很多人陪我们一起来。
我来来，
this is Jia Jin, and finally me. So we are still climbing. I think this was 2 hours into the hike.
看我们走
We were a
多
bit
远
slow.
，369在那边。哇哇！
So climbing takes a lot of effort because I'm a bit overweight.
菜菜，不要了，不要下雨。Let it go,
So
let it
this is the
go.
first time I'm seeing real snow. I'm excited but I'm so tired. It's still a long way hike up. It takes another 3 hours to reach the top. And my GoPro went dead, so the following footage comes from Jia Jin. I stole some of his footage, and you see this is Pirate cooking. I told you that it's a nice cook in the mountain. And finally, the last ascent where we had our rest and we decided to push for the summit. So we are finally there and we are coming down. So as you can see, it's very steep. We are all on ice claw. And yeah, you see how strong Ben is.
下去哈，
Ben
小
is
心
in
啊！
Justin. They are very strong. You see what happened to me next. I'm a bit weak.
看看你的脚，感受如何？很刺激啊！
非常棒。
非常棒，刺激呀！
There is my turn coming up.
哦，你看有人！哦，你看有人！
Replay.
哦，你看有人！小心！哎，小心哦！
I'm so sorry to ignore your hand because I didn't see it. I was so concentrating on getting back up on my feet. At this point, it's already so
那血要往
tiring.
下踩，不要踩斜的，直接往雪里面
It's
踩到
so
脚踝
tiring
用
that
弯着就可以了。
my legs give way another time.
太紧张了。
Okay, that's all for the hike and hope you enjoy the video. Maybe I'll do another video explaining the difficulties and
可以了吗？
about climbing the mountain.
好 ，OK。
It's a tough climb, I must say. There we are on the bottom of the hill, and you see the energetic me again. Whoa! Finally.